Hi everybody. So this morning we are on an urbanisation that's called Camposol. We are on the Costa.Calida near the port of Matharon, where there is a marina, there's several beaches, and Murcia International Airport is only 30 minutes drive from here. 20 minutes scenic drive to the beaches. And today I've got this lovely property to show you. So let's go inside and we'll walk this house together and have a look around. Now this is the property itself. We are on the perimeter road and let's go inside and have a look around. There's our phone number at the back of the car there, if anyone's interested. So as we walk in you will see that this is disabled friendly and it does have a ramp just there into the property. If you want to put a little ramp there into the garden bit, you just have to do that yourself. Now it's fabulous outside space here. I'll show you around. And as you can see, it's really beautiful. So I'm going to walk around the garden in a moment and we just have a look around. I'm getting a bit tongue-tied this morning, guys. So just there you have this lovely area where you can sit and lounge, you can have a coffee with friends or whatever. If you wanted to put the driveway back, you could do. You have got double gates there. Or if you wanted to take those gates away, you just build a wall there. So I'll just pan around for you, and as you can see, there's a lovely area just here where you can sit and enjoy with your friends or your family. Really beautiful. Beautiful pool here, kidney shaped, really lovely. And you've got a fabulous terrace just over there as well. Now I'm just going to come around here. I'm just showing you the outside space first, but the property itself is absolutely stunning. You can see there is a shower just there behind that, and you have this lovely area for lounging. You also have this lovely terrace up here, if I show you, for outside dining. So I'm going to bring you around and we'll have a look around at the main house first. So let's have a look. So just here you have got the ramp with a decorative balustrade, and as you can see the terrace has been enclosed to give it extra accommodation. Okay, so you've got a nice wide door here as well, which would accommodate a wheelchair. So I think just on the lip of the door you'd need to put something to get a chair over there. Okay. Now just in here is this lovely lounge area. It's really beautiful. You have got a log burner fire in here if you wanted to use this as your main living area. Okay, so I'm going to take you down here just so we can have a look around. You've got the beautiful lighting above, lovely blinds, beautifully decorated this property. Got reccas and blackout blinds on the windows, really beautiful as you can see. And just above there is kind of lighting just going along there as well. So I'm going to take it inside and we have a look in here. So let's go inside and have a look around. Oh wow, this property has got the wow factor, I've got to say. So let's have a look now. If we just start here. So you have got your ceiling light and fan. You have aircon. You have a log burner fire there, nice feature fireplace, and you have your radiators there. Okay, So this is really very nice. I'm going to pan around for you, and you've got your dining room table and chairs there, and again you've got a radiator just under there, and up above you've got another ceiling light and fan. You've got those lovely lighting under the coving as well, which gives nice ambience to the room. Now come back up to the front here, because it's very open plan. So this is your kitchen. It has a beautiful granite worktop, which is very unusual. So this is your island. Let's just have a quick look around here. Now this is the worktop itself, really beautiful. Very nice. You got your fridge, freezer there, and your cupboards. Plenty of storage, top and base. And as I walk around here, you got your sink and faucet, your electric hob, electric oven, and everything's integrated in here. Really beautiful and done very nice, and lovely tiling as well. Just out here you have got utility room. I'll just come out here quickly. I'll have to come back this way. So just here you got your washing machine, your dishwasher, base unit, worktop there as well. You've got another unit there. It's all fully tiled as well, very nicely done. And just here you have a towel rail and a radiator. So just let me bring you back inside here. As you can see, there are lovely drawers there as well. And I'm going to walk around this way. I don't want to catch my colleague in the window. So it's absolutely a beautiful home, as you can see. So I'm going to go through this door, and we'll have a look at the bedrooms. So this is a great idea, having a doorway that cuts off the bedrooms from the kitchen, so the smells don't go through the house, you know. So in here, this will be the bathroom, and this is totally upgraded as well. Beautiful sink and faucet there. Got your WC. Got a fabulous shower. Got a nice rain head unit there. Really very nice. And your frosted glass window. And I'm just going to pan around. You can see the different tiling in the tiles as well. And this is one of those clear screen shower screens that open and close like that. You've also got your rail for hanging your towels, and you have a heater above. But you have got your central heating just behind the door there. Okay? Really beautiful bathroom. Now I'm just going in here. This is going to be the guest room. So this is a lovely guest room. It's really bright and airy. You've got ceiling light and fan. You've got records and blackout blinds on the windows. Just going to shut the door a minute. And just there you have your overhead storage and your double wardrobe. You got a mirror there, and you got your radiator. Now this house is absolutely pristine. It's really beautiful. It's definitely key ready, this one. Really fabulous property. Now we're back in the corridor again, and I'm going into the master bedroom. Now just in here, this is your master bedroom. I'll just turn on the light for you. So it's really nice in here. You have your aircon above, your standard light above there, and you have a radiator just there as well. Now I'm just going to come up here and just pan around. You have got overhead storage and your double wardrobes, and you got another wardrobe and drawers there. It just shows you how big these bedrooms are. They're very, very generous. And it's very well decorated, all very neutral tones as well in here. Really lovely. So, let's go inside and around. Now I'm back into this fabulous living space and the kitchen. I love an open plan house. We're going out through the utility room now. Just pan around for you to get another glimpse of this fabulous room. Now let's go outside here. Now just out here, it's a lovely area, as you can see, just to lounge. Now this is your terrace out here. You could put an awning there and bring it across if you wanted. You have got cameras up there, and you have your water point just there. I'm just doing this property at a different angle now. So there is staircase in front of us, and that brings us upstairs. That just there overlooks this lovely terrace. Beautiful property. And you got lovely little nooks and lovely little areas where you can just sit and have a coffee, you know. So I'll see you at the top of the stairs, guys. Now just come up here, you can see beautiful views for miles, absolutely miles. Now this is a surprise up here. You got your terrace, you got your washing line where most people hang their washing, got some outside space and a little room. So I'm going to have a look in here to see what this is used for. Oh, it's just storage. So that's great. You have a nice room for storing all your bits. You could extend it. I have seen these extended. This is quite small. It's just been used for storage. But you could extend it and have a third bedroom upstairs if you wanted to. Like the stonework around here. Really lovely. So I'll see you downstairs, guys. Now just come down from the top of the stairs, back down onto here, and we're going down some more steps just here onto the terrace. Got the tree of life there, you got that fabulous pool. Now I haven't gone around this way, so you got a barbecue there, you got very low maintenance garden, as you can see, done to decorative shale, and you've got nice stones then, stepping stones as I say. Nice little area there to sit and have a coffee, and it carries on all the way around. You've got an underbuilt here as well, so let's have a little look in here if it's open. Oh, it is. So there you are, you've got your tank and your boiler basically under there, which is great. So guys, I found a nice little corner that's shaded, a really sweet spot. All I need now is a nice glass of wine or something. So what do you think of this property? Oh my goodness gracious me, isn't it beautiful? It is a pristine property ready to move into. There's nothing I don't like about this property. I know I love them all, but this is really lovely. I do like the neutral tones, I like the open plan of the property, everything about it. So if you are interested in this property, do contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com. I will leave the reference number and the price in the title of the video. Sometimes you just have to press more in the description box to see everything, okay? So please do comment. Tell me what you think and where you are watching this from. I would love to know where people are watching my videos from. So until the next time, take care and have a fabulous summer. See you all soon. Bye bye.